Welcome all, Papa G here. Today I present a sweet treat that'll rewind the clock when mom and pop soda fountain shops were common in neighborhoods. My sweet and creamy low-carb Nectar Soda. With all of the net carbs coming from the ice cream, the sky is the limit with what you can make with a few simple ingredients. Let's get started. We'll begin by making our Nectar Syrup. Add some granulated sugar substitute to a saucepan on medium heat. Add some water and stir occasionally until the sweetener has fully dissolved. This may take about 3 to 5 minutes. You'll see it turn a milky white, then slowly become clear. Turn the heat off and let cool. Pour the cooled liquid into a small mixing bowl or pourable measuring cup like I'm doing here. Add a half a tablespoon of vanilla extract, 1 full tablespoon of almond extract, and finish off with a little red food coloring. Give a mix to incorporate. Place in the refrigerator to chill. Now we're ready to make the soda. Using a frosted glass, add a 1/4 cup of the Nectar Syrup. A half a cup of your favorite low-carb ice cream. Here I'm using Halo Top's vanilla bean flavor. Now finish with some chilled sparkling water or club soda. Add a straw. Mix in the ice cream and enjoy. There you have it, folks, my low-carb Nectar Soda. A sweet way to bring back the sodas from the past. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like and consider subscribing. I'll have something new every week. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.